Imagine waking up to a stream of notifications on your phone, each one alerting you to money you made while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that with the right AI tools, this dream could be your reality? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're revealing 5 simple AI tools that anyone, yes, anyone, can start using today to make money. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have any special skills to get started. These tools are designed for the everyday person. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of financial freedom, these AI tools could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about Looka, an AI-powered tool that makes logo and brand design a snap. Whether you're a graphic designer or just someone looking to create a professional brand image, Looka has everything you need. Here's how it works. Just enter your brand name, industry, and a few preferences, and Looka generates a wide range of logo options, color schemes, and even full brand guidelines. It's like having a professional designer on call 24/7. So how can you make money with Looka? Offer branding services to new businesses, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to refresh their brand image. Many small businesses need a professional look but can't afford to hire a full-time designer, making this an excellent opportunity for you. You can charge for logo design, complete branding packages, or even offer ongoing design services as businesses grow and need more branded materials. Looka allows you to produce high-quality designs quickly, meaning you can handle more clients and boost your income. With Looka, you're not just creating logos, you're building brands that stand out. And that's a service businesses are eager to invest in. Next is DID Creative Reality Studio, an AI tool that turns still images into talking avatars. That's right, you can upload a picture of yourself or anyone else, and the AI will create a video where the avatar speaks your script. Here's how it works. Upload a photo, input your script, and DID uses AI to bring the avatar to life, complete with facial movements and natural speech. It's like having a personal video presenter ready to go anytime. So how do you make money with DID? Offer avatar video creation services to influencers, YouTubers, or even corporate clients who want to create content but don't want to appear on camera. It's perfect for anyone looking to save time and effort. You can charge for creating personalized video avatars or offer bulk services for clients who need multiple videos. Since DID handles the hard part, you can easily scale your business and serve more clients. With DID, you're not just making videos, you're helping people create content without ever stepping in front of a camera, and that's a service many will gladly pay for. Tool number 3 is Remove.bg, a simple but powerful AI tool that does one thing really well: removing backgrounds from images. Whether you're editing product photos, creating marketing materials, or designing social media posts, a clean, transparent background can make all the difference. Remove.bg is incredibly easy to use. Just upload your image, and within seconds, the AI removes the background, leaving you with a perfect cutout that you can use in any design. No more struggling with Photoshop or spending hours on manual editing. Remove.bg does it all for you. So how can you turn this into cash? Offer image editing services to e-commerce businesses, photographers, or marketers. Every online store needs high-quality product images, and with Remove.bg, you can deliver them quickly and efficiently. You can charge per image or offer bulk packages for larger projects. This tool is particularly valuable for online sellers who want their products to stand out on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. With Remove.bg, you can turn simple image editing into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. Tool number 4 on our list is Otter.ai, a powerhouse in the world of transcription. Otter.ai is an AI-driven tool that automatically transcribes spoken language into written text with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're dealing with interviews, meetings, lectures, podcasts, or even brainstorming sessions, Otter.ai makes transcription quick, easy, and reliable. Transcription services are in high demand across many industries. For example, journalists need accurate transcriptions of interviews to write their story. Podcasters often provide transcriptions of their episodes to improve accessibility and SEO. Businesses use transcriptions for record keeping and to create written reports from meetings or conferences. Now let's get into the nuts and bolts of making money with Otter.ai. First, you can offer transcription services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to businesses in your network. Because Otter.ai makes transcription so fast and easy, you can handle a larger volume of work than someone doing it manually. naturally, allowing you to take on more clients without sacrificing quality. By offering transcription services powered by Otter.ai, you're tapping into a market that's not only large, but growing. More and more businesses and individuals are recognizing the value of accurate, fast transcriptions, and with Otter.ai, you can provide that service better than ever. Whether you're looking to start a new side hustle, expand your freelance business, or simply add another skill to your portfolio, Otter.ai gives you the tools to do it all. It's efficient, easy to use, and most importantly, it can help you generate a steady income stream. So if you haven't already, give Otter.ai a try and start turning those spoken words into profits. All right, folks, it's time to dive into a game-changing AI tool that's making waves in the world of audio content. ElevenLabs. If you've ever dreamed of creating high-quality voiceovers, narrations, or even entire audiobooks without needing to hire voice talent, then this tool is for you. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered text-to-speech platform that produces incredibly lifelike voiceovers. And the best part is, you can use it to create content that sounds professional without the hefty price tag. Now, how exactly can you make money with ElevenLabs? The possibilities are endless. First off, you can offer voiceover services for various types of content, including videos, ads, e-learning courses, and more. The demand for voiceovers is huge, especially with the growing popularity of video content across platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Businesses, influencers, and educators are constantly looking for ways to make their content more engaging, and a professional-sounding voiceover can make all the difference. Another lucrative way to use ElevenLabs is by creating audiobooks. The audiobook market has exploded in recent years, with millions of people choosing to listen to books while commuting, exercising, or just relaxing. However, producing an audiobook traditionally requires hiring a professional narrator, which can be expensive. With ElevenLabs, you can create high-quality audiobooks at a fraction of the cost and time. Whether you're an author looking to self-publish an audiobook, or you want to offer audiobook creation services to other writers, ElevenLabs makes it possible. You can upload a manuscript, select a voice that fits the tone of the book, and in no time, you've got a finished product ready to be distributed on platforms like Audible, Google Play, or even directly through your own website. But wait, there's more. ElevenLabs isn't just for creating voiceovers or audiobooks. Educators can use it to produce audio lessons or course materials. Marketers can generate voiceovers for ads and promotional videos. Even podcasters can use ElevenLabs to create episodes or supplement their content with additional voices, enhancing the overall listening experience for their audience. ElevenLabs is more than just a text-to-speech tool. It's a versatile platform that can open up new revenue streams and enhance the services you offer. So there you have it. 5 simple AI tools that anyone can use to start making money today. These tools are more than just software. They're opportunities. Opportunities for you to create, to innovate, and most importantly, to earn. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to get started. These AI tools are designed to make your life easier, helping you work smarter, not harder. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools today and see how AI can transform your financial future. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. We'll be back with more AI tools, tips, and tricks to help you stay ahead of the curve. So make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below telling us which tool you're most excited to try.